Hey, seventh grade, happy Friday. So, today your IXL skill is to practice writing a ratio. Now, let's remind ourselves that if you want to master this skill, you must have a score of at least 80, and you could choose. You definitely are going to get an 80, you totally could do more, or get 100. It is up to you, even though I know a bunch of you can get 100. Today we're working on a sixth grade skill, okay? We could only do a third grade skill literally once, which was yesterday. Not anymore. So let's do this. Here's the link, and today you're going to write a ratio. Now look at me over here, totally logged into IXL. It should say welcome and your first name and your last name. Shouldn't say my name because you're not me. But anyways, all you have to do is learn how to write a ratio. And basically, if you want, you could watch a tutorial to help you or learn with an example. But, a ratio is comparing one unit to another. And so it's asking us, what is the ratio of hexagons to circles? Now, if you didn't know what a hexagon was, you definitely know what a circle is. And so the order is hexagons to circles, and that is the ratio. Again, a ratio is comparing one unit to another unit. That's all it is, right? So what I'm gonna do is, I know that there's 1, 2, 3, 4 hexagons and 1, 2, 3, 3 circles, so the ratio is 4 to 3. And in this particular skill, you are writing the ratio as with a colon, but we'll get to it once we really get to seventh grade math. We'll not be writing it as a colon. It'll actually be written as a fraction. But anyways, here we go. What's the ratio of stars to circle? Remember, the order actually matters. So we are going to be counting stars since the order here is telling me that it's first stars and then circles. So this is saying 4 circles to how many stars? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 stars. Oh, it's not letting me type. 4 stars. 4 to 4. Ah! 4 to 4. Which, if we were to simplify that, that would be 1 to 1 ratio. But anyways, that was supposed to be a C, guys. That was supposed to be a C. So it is really, okay. So it is pretty self-explanatory. Now, again, you need to make sure you get a score of 80, but anywho, it says, what's the ratio of triangles to total shapes? Now, don't get confused here, and I really need to erase this ugly C. Yeah, look at that. Ugh, not cute. Okay, so we have to remember to read it carefully, and it really matters with the order. How many triangles to total shapes should be very self-explanatory. I have 1 triangle because that's the order. Triangles come first. I have, I'm trying to annotate here. Okay, so I have 1 triangle, 2, 3 total shapes. So it asks us about the total shapes, not squares. So they're going to try to trick you there, so be careful. Alright, because you're not in 6th grade anymore, you're in 7th. Okay, so again, hexagons to total shapes. Just remember, you're counting the hexagons compared to the total shapes because the order goes hexagon first and then shapes. So, easy peasy. Again, if you need anything, let me know. Thank you for subscribing to my channel, and I will see you hopefully on Monday. Peace!